What I love most about Alaska is the community here. People really watch out for each other in Alaska, and I really love that sense of community. It's something I haven't found anywhere else I've ever lived, but no one expects you to stay. People come in and work for 6 months and leave, or people come in and work for 2 years and leave. The bad thing about that is that there's no continuity in a lot of programs. The same thing with attorneys. Some people come in, plug in a year or two at the public defender's office or the DA's office, and they are out. They never invest in the community. There is a need all over the Delta for legal representation. I think that there's a significant void that can be filled. It's important for people to have representation that understand them and that care about them. Because if you don't understand the culture, you'll never understand the depth of loss that they've experienced. Someone being injured who lives here on the Delta can have far more losses than someone in the lower 48, because so much of an individual's life here on the Delta is dependent upon subsistence hunting, subsistence fishing. Some families on the Delta may not have someone that's employed, and they depend completely upon subsistence. And if they're unable to do that, then those are losses that the law in Alaska allows them to be compensated for.
For us natives, we're one of those people that can't afford lawyers. There might be injuries that require better care. Sometimes they can't work the remainder of their life because of the injuries they had.
Regardless of where a person is, they should be able to maintain their way of life. My goal is to be able to help the people walk through that injury, to address what happened, and to help them maximize their recovery.
It's very important for people like Sean to be for us natives, not only for us natives, but for others that are in need of a good lawyer. I would recommend Sean to all my people.
I've been practicing law in the state of Alaska for over 20 years now. I have represented people from Barrow down to Juneau and most everywhere in between. Regardless of where you have been injured in Alaska, give us a call. We're ready to help you.